at Philmafaith, we basically convert waste to energy. So we basically take agro waste in the form of rice husk, sawdust, bagasse, convert it into clean energy, both for domestic use, which is pellets, and for commercial use, which is briquettes and also pellets. So Philmafaith was begun in 2020, and over the years we've grown. And why we began Philmafaith, number one, is to deal with waste management. We realize there's a lot of waste management in sugar industries. You go and they have a lot of waste, they don't know what to do with it. And also in agri industries like rice millers, they have a lot of waste and they never knew what to do with it. And for us also, we identified there was a need for clean energy, affordable clean energy, because Kenya is estimated that in the rural sector, around 70% of people still use conventional means of cooking like firewood, which is very harmful to their health. And it's estimated over 2,500 people die annually, either from carbon or from using a lot of firewood. And some of them have chronic diseases, things like health issues. You find when we did a survey in Western region and we went to over 900 schools, we found out almost 70% of the schools are using firewood. And most of the women who are cooking using firewood have health issues. It's either their eyes or their lungs, and they have a lot of complications. And that's why, as Philmafaith, we identified number one, waste, and now we identified how to convert it into energy and clean energy, because our energy is clean to the end user. And it's also affordable, unlike conventional means of energy. So it's affordable to the end user and it's still clean. I'm a young person. When I began this business, I was barely 24 years, yeah? So getting a land that is worth 5 million under your name to give us security is difficult. So it was one of the challenges that we faced. We believe if we would have gotten enough financial support when we began, our traction so far and our reach and our product will be known widely, and it will have more customers and impacting more lives than what it is right now. So one of the hurdles has been financial access to finance. Number two has been accessing patient capital. You find that even the people who are willing to finance, you want to take advantage of the business. You find an investor coming on board and they want to own 60% of your business just because you don't have the money and they have it. Or an investor is coming on board and they want to take almost every profit for themselves. So lack of patient accessible capital also is another issue. The third issue we've faced is policy. Government policies have been very unfavorable to young business. You find you are a startup, and even before you begin, the permits and the licenses you need, even before you put your money for business, especially in this waste industry, is not less almost than 500,000. You need NEMA, you need county, you need transport licenses, all licenses, some are overlapping. You pass from one county to the other, there are different types of licenses. So yeah, that's another challenge. And the last challenge has been just accessing the market. You find that in the market, there are big players offering energy, just like you're offering. And they have the resources to do marketing, they have the resources to reach anywhere. And you're just a startup, you don't have the resources to do proper marketing. So you find you have a good product and it can't get to the end users as it should. So yeah, there has been that challenge also. So I normally say, for me, KCIC has been the best experience I've had as an SME. If KCIC has had and supported me since I met them, we wouldn't be existing as PGL, yeah? That's what I say. And that's what I tell everyone out there, because KCIC, number one, is the only financial institution, apart from bootstrapping from friends, that have supported us as an institution through the SWIFT program, yeah? KCIC has done things like branding. The branding you're seeing here, it's courtesy of KCIC. They've given us so much technical support, and KCIC, it's one of the people that have seen potential in our business. And every time we think of KCIC, it gives us encouragement to keep doing what we are doing, because we know there's someone who values our business, believes in what we are doing, and they've even actually financially supported it, technically supported it, and are always supporting us. Even through such things as this exhibition, we are here courtesy of KCIC. So I believe KCIC are doing a lot to our business, and not to our business alone, to other SMEs they're supporting. And I'm very proud of what they're doing. Yeah, so we see ourselves growing beyond where we are currently at Kajiado, Kitengela. We see ourselves having at least 10 branches across Kenya. And we already identified 2, one in Kisumu, one in Kirinyaga. We hope to do others in Coast Region and other regions like Turkana and Wajir, where there are so many types of waste and other resources we can use to make briquettes and whatever we are doing, turn them into clean energy. So we hope to see our growth expand from where we are currently, number one, and also our market to grow, and also our revenues to grow, and also the level of impact we are making in terms of the people we are supporting, and even our products to have more market traction and to reach more people and even transform more lives. KCIC is doing a lot, and I encourage them to keep doing what they are doing, to keep supporting SMEs. They are doing a good job, and may God bless them for what they are doing, and even increase them with more so that they can support more people.